Hello, my name is Jenny Smith. I'm a networking strategist, founder of NetKnow, and welcome to the latest 2-minute networking tip. So the latest 2-minute networking tip is no phones. None. No mobile phones. Put your phone away. So if you go to a networking event and you get out your mobile phone, it tells everyone in that room that you're not really that interested. You don't care about networking with them. You don't want to talk to them. And what's on your mobile phone is far more interesting and important than they are. And that is not a great way to network, my friend. No, it is not. What it also does is it puts up a massive barrier between you and everyone else. If I saw someone at a networking event stood on their own, just looking around, I'd go and talk to them. If I saw someone stood on their own at a networking event on their phone, I'd leave them to it because I'd think they were busy. So when you get your mobile phone out, when you're stood on your own and it's nerve-wracking, you go for your phone because it's that comfort blanket, what you're actually doing is preventing anyone else from approaching you. So put it away, leave it somewhere, do not get the phone out. It also just distracts you from what you're there to do. And you are at this networking event, you made all the effort to go there, you're looking amazing, you're strutting, and then you get your phone out. It distracts you from what you're there to do, what you're there to achieve. You're wasting everyone's time, but especially wasting your own time. And finally, getting your phone out, it actually hinders you and others from creating a meaningful connection, from really building relationships. Just the presence of a phone can hinder a deep and meaningful relationship being formed, and conversations are changed. And there's a lot of academic research out there. I will share some links to some because it's fascinating in the comments. So there you go. No mobile phones, put them away. The only 2 reasons you should get your phone out at a networking event: take a picture for social media, love it, and if you've got a contactless business card and you need someone to get their phone out to give you, to be able to pass information or connect on LinkedIn or whatever it is. So there you go. They're the only 2 reasons. Otherwise, no mobile phones at networking events. Okay, there you go. Have a great day. Bye.